Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are having chicken bak and ackee.
Yes, the reason why, because First Lady was craving this, you know? So I said, you know what First Lady want? First Lady don't get, I throw the chicken back because she wanted chicken back. She loved chewing on stuff and sucking on the bone. Yo, but you know what's the main thing, family? I love when she do this right here. See, we share today. I love when it's like that. That's my favorite right there. But anyways, go ahead.
This is hot.
Yes.
Okay. So Richie made this. He prepared this. You know, whenever this is made, I don't make it because me don't know if I make it.
She know how to make it.
Me don't want to make it.
But I make it. And this is ackee. This is not egg for anybody that's new.
Yes.
No, it's not ackee and saltfish. It's ackee and chicken bak. That's a dish we eat in Jamaica too. You know what I'm saying? But our national dish is ackee and saltfish in Jamaica. But how does it taste? Taste test.
And it's nice and hot like I like it. I don't like your food too.
Family, I don't like my food so hot off the fire.
You can't get to just brush it down. Well,
I'm brushing down today. Look at this. Look at the steam, yo. The rice is hot, yo.
But that's because because I warmed this up, you know. So what I do is I warm it up first and then I put the food on top so it can stay nice and hot. I don't like to eat cold food. What? Ackee and saltfish with white rice is very good too.
I told y'all already, it's not egg. I heard y'all. Y'all cut it out, man.
If you go to your grocery store,
I heard y'all.
And you go into the international aisle or the Caribbean aisle, you can probably find a can of ackee. It's already cooked. Don't be like me.
Wow. You gave me that story.
I already gave them that story already. I sure did. Don't be like me. It's already cooked. All you gotta do is just boil the saltfish and you know.
I'm gonna show y'all. It does look like egg, but I'm gonna show y'all. But it's not. Yeah. Try it. You don't even know what you're talking about. No, you don't want to try it because it looks like egg. No, you gotta try it first to say you don't like it. Here you go. If you don't like it, just don't eat it again. Just try it. There we go. You see that? You see the yellowness? It's not egg. Ackee.
I promise you, this is very good.
Just try it, family. You can't just don't say you don't want it.
Okay, I'll tell you the truth about this ackee and chicken bak.
Bussin'.
It's bussin'. My favorite part is the fact that the chicken bak has like a crispiness to it.
Crunchy, you can eat it by itself as fried chicken.
We almost did enough.
Yeah, family, and hold on, I'm locking it up.
No, I'm done.
And when we say chicken back, yes, we mean the back of the chicken, the bony part. That's what we love. A lot of people don't like that part.
Yeah.
So family members, if you ever get a whole chicken and you cut it up and you know what I mean, and you don't want that part, send it to us. A lot of people don't eat it, but to be honest, it's expensive too.
It's good in soup.
It's good in soup too. Exactly, you put in soup too. But
Okay, here's the truth.
Talk to it.
Richie made this before last week when we was on, up and down with Tamia, our volleyball games. It was so good. I requested it again. That's the truth.
And Mama Deuce pop up on us.
Yes.
And finished it.
My mother came from New Jersey and she surprised us. And she was like, I'm hungry. I said, you know what? Yesterday Richie made some ackee and chicken bak or chicken bak and ackee. And she said, man, I haven't had that in so long.
From the last time I made it for her.
I went to New York. So she tore it up. So good.
Wow. You know what? I don't want to drink my juice.
Fill you up, huh?
Yeah. Fill me up, but I'm gonna brush this down.
It's a lot of food.
All right. They will help. Maybe they don't help too.
Maybe they'll.
Yeah.
because they think it's egg.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe think it's egg. But if they don't help, more for us, right?
Maggie, stop whispering, man. I taste a little bit of pepper in it too, honey.
I put pepper here.
Start by it? Oh.
One.
A whole one? Wow. Oh, I see it now.
Wow.
I want to pepper that.
I took one. Yes. And I did not forget story time. Yes, I'm going to tell you the story. Just hold on. It's coming. You know what I'm saying? It's coming. It's coming. Just feast on this niceness first.
Yes, food is good.
What happened?
I'm making sure. Okay.
Wow. For anybody out there, I don't know if I remember ever tried Aki. We know a lot of people did, but let me see. All of them our island people, calm it down. Let me see how much of y'all tried this before.
And how do you use it?
And how do you use it, exactly. Let us know. And it was on sale for $8.
The Aki? Usually we get it fresh from my father-in-law.
But when it's on sale, you gotta get it. Expensive. And a lot of people have these trees up here, but a lot of people have the tree and some of them don't know what it is and they don't eat it. So the first thing they do is just go around. Anytime we see an Aki tree, we ask them.
There's a lot of Aki trees. Especially when you go to Miami, man.
A lot.
Every corner.
A lot. Yep. All right. I got you. It's a long time I you make you jump. Story time. Wait, not yet. I'm gonna consume some more.
But honey, you didn't tell them that you put pieces of chicken breast in there.
Oh yeah. Alright. Why did I put chicken breast in there, Richie? Yes. Because first they said I just put chicken breast. Asked me, I'm waiting. Okay. I wait. Okay, thank you very much. I put chicken breast in there. It's a couple pieces because we got American kids. Straight like that.
No capping.
No capping. They're American. So they was like, oh, why so much bone? So, you know, I have to substitute for them too. But they will eat it. But they're not picky for it, you know? But I have to put some of that in there, so I'll put some of that in there for them. You know what I'm saying? But we like with the bone. If you're real,
So,
right.
on the chicken box, did you put any flour? Or you just brown it just like that?
I just fry it. Fry it for you get a little brown. Then throw it in the ingredients I cut up.
You put brown in too?
I put a brown in.
Oh.
I put the ingredients that I cut up. Family, that's what I did, and then just let it simmer down and throw the Aki. Cause remember, the Aki is already cooked, so you don't want to throw the Aki in there while the chicken box is simmering down because it's gonna be mushy. Okay.
Because the Aki's already cooked.
All right, soft.
And even if it wasn't, Aki doesn't take long to boil.
Yeah. So. Yeah. All right. Story time. For all the family members, this is a story about basketball for my church. And yes, family, if I probably said it before and some of y'all didn't hear, but my basically my whole family is Seventh-day Adventist. Yes, Richie. Some of them know what Seventh-day Adventist, some of them don't know what Seventh-day Adventist. That means we worship on the Saturday. You know what I'm saying? So growing up with my mother in New York, I used to go to church every day. You know what I'm saying? Every day, family, every day. Cause you know we young and we kid, you know, every day. So you gotta listen to your mother rule.
Did you have fun?
Yeah, church was fun. Cause we had a lot of fun activities in church. It was a lot of fun stuff. You know what I'm saying? It was really fun. So I ain't gonna lie. Okay, it was fun. So
That's good.
I was like about 15, 16 each time, going on like 15, 16. So my church had a basketball team. They have for juniors and they have for adults. So I guess I was in the juniors, the little team. Cause the older one them is for the older guys them. Oh, I got a story for that too, but wow. I told you that one already? When the guy hit the wind down to me.
No.
Oh, I didn't tell you?
Who the hell hit you?
Well playing. I did tell you when one time I was playing basketball. I didn't tell you? Oh, I gotta tell you that story anyway.
Who hit you?
Don't worry about it.
How old was you?
I was like about 17. I was playing for the bigger man them though.
Let me know who he is. I gotta find him.
I gotta find him. Well, listen, family. So we had a church basketball team. You know what I'm saying? So this was the juniors, you know? So we had a semi-final, not a semi-final game. What come up? A semi-final and quarterfinals? What come first after?
Semi-quarter, yeah. Semi and quarterfinal.
Quarterfinal. The game to go to championship. A quarterfinal game. But this particular team, family, when we played them in the regular season, they beat us about 4 points.
Wow.
So we was ready, we well trained, everything, practicing every day for this team, because we know when we play this team we gotta go hard, because if we beat them we go to the championship. Because we already ran through every other team in the church league already. So we know, you know what I mean? But this team beat us. So we said, okay, when we get to this team, man, we're gonna have to go hard, you feel me? So the night of the game, the gym was packed. Packed, family. Everybody was there. And then my coach, right? My coach, he had a sister that plays on our team. So you can have girls and guys play together. I know it's just the church thing, but it's a serious lead. So she's good. So she played with us, right? So we playing the game now. What happened to you? Well, so we playing the game now, right, family? The night of the game now. Everything was going good. We playing, we beating them, having a good game, good time. So now it came down to crunch time, right? As I said before, this is not no high school, and this is not what you call it. So you know what I mean? If it was different, if it was high school now, the people, certain people don't have to play, all right? So listen to me now. I'm going somewhere with this now. I want you to listen. So the game is close, family. Close all the way down. First, second quarter, second, third. Game is close. So it's coming to crunch time now. It was so close. Everybody was playing. All the stars. So I was in. My homeboy them was killing. So
You was a starter?
I don't ride bench, son. I don't do bench. You know that already. So we was up. What do?
Oh, good man.
We was up, right, family? But the game was so close. We didn't want to take the chance. You know what I'm saying? So we was playing, and my coach was gonna sub his sister in, because I said everybody have to play. We're gonna sub his sister in, right? The game was so close. Everybody looked at him and was like, I can't do that this time right now. It's so close, you know? But you know what we should have did? Make her come in and then sub her back out. But we didn't want to take the chance, because we didn't want to. We didn't want it to lose.
How much minutes you had left? I'm sorry, my love.
The game was close. I don't remember the minute time, but it was
like seconds before the.
It was about 2 minutes or so, 3 minutes into the game, almost done.
Did you have enough time to sub her in and sub her out?
We could, but the game was so close. It's when the game is close and we're playing sport, you don't want to take them chances. But she always plays, right? But through the game was so close, family, we didn't sub her in. So anyway, he made her sit down, right? So we played, we won the game. Everything, family, everything. Everybody's cheering, yeah, we're going to the championship, yeah, we're going to the championship. Everybody's happy. Blah, blah, blah. Come to figure it out, the coach from the other team, it was like basically a rivalry because that team, the coach from the other team went and complained to the commission of the basketball league, saying they didn't make her go in. So when he said that, we were like, oh my God, they're gonna take this win from us. They're gonna take this win from us, and we worked so hard for this win. They're gonna take it from us. So when the commissioner came up and said, listen to me, you won the game, but it's gonna have to be a forfeit because y'all didn't make her play. Oh my God, family.
So what if you had said that she was sick?
I don't know. Nobody wasn't thinking at the time. The game was, family, the game was so close. You know how that feeling is if you have your place. Well, let me know. And you know you just don't want to take that chance. Like, all right,
baby.
Well, listen, family. We worked so hard for that. So here he said, oh, there's gonna be a forfeit, and then everybody else team jumping. We said forfeit. I said, come on now. You serious? She played every other time, and this is a whatever. So everybody, family on the team start breaking down, crying.
So you guys didn't go to the champion?
No, let me tell the story. We didn't go to the championship.
But you forfeit. Don't you guys play again?
No, we forfeited the game. We won, but we have to forfeit the game because she didn't play. So basically, we didn't win.
So you guys couldn't play again?
We didn't play again. They didn't make us play again because that was the game to go to the championship. So family, everybody started crying, and the only way we could get a chance is if we go talk to higher people. So the coach went to talk to higher people. We was praying the whole week. We were like, okay, please, could we gonna get this win or whatever? Family, I said, we cried. I cried. Family, we was this close because the team that we was gonna play, it's our rival too, but we already know. We already beat them already in the regular season. And that people is looking forward for that game with us and them again because that's all they come to see. Because family, I cried. I said, oh my goodness, gosh. But we live and we learn, you know, at the end of the day when we went.
Oh, those are the big-headed kids. Did they win?
They lose. They did all of that to go lose. They lost against the family. They lost against the team that we beat in the regular season. And that's who we wanted to match up. That's the matchup they wanted to see. Because we was one of the top churches them. So that's the matchup they wanted to see. They got the little forfeit from us even though we won. And go play they get blown up. So family, you see what
they get karma.
Family, listen, you see when we went there the game for the championship night, we went there to go celebrate for the other team that we already beat. We already know them. So we went and we pulled up in the van. Everybody start cheering for us and like going crazy like, y'all should have been here. They should have given you a chance. That's not fair. Y'all know. Everybody was vouching for us and family, and that was just sit down and watch it in the stand, and that was that. And after that,
were you pissed off in the stand?
Hell yeah, we was mad, yo. You mean if we was pissed off? Our whole team was there. We was pissed off, family. After that was it. So I played like about 3 years. 2.5 years with the junior team, and then I just went to we went to the big team. I went to the big team after. I have a story for that too, but that's what happened, family, you know? When you work so hard, but that 1 minute, like one mistake, you're like, damn. When we thought about it, we said, damn, we should just sub her in and sub her out. As long as she got on the court. If she'd have just in and out, that's it.
She didn't go in because she didn't feel good.
Yeah, but we weren't thinking about it,
She could have played along.
See, yeah, but all that, family. But yeah, I blew the championship, family. Yo, the trophy was waiting for us too.
That's messed up.
But we live and we learn, you know what I mean? Those were the days, but
at least if you're gonna do all that, at least go to the next stage and win.
They lost. They got blown out.
Blown out?
I remember the thing where I'm telling the story. Family, you see what's going on? That's what you want me to tell the story. You're not telling me. You see how you do me? She did taking all the meat out of the stuff and you're not telling me, but it's all good. We even, cause I do that all the time. But yeah, that was it, family. I was just, we was so sad when we went to church. They announced it.
Oh my gosh,
it was rough, family. It was rough. But yeah, family.
That's rough.
Yeah, it was rough. But at the end of the day, we all had fun, you know. But we was young, so you know we gonna cry like some baby.
I want to ball right now.
Up to this day, even though I'm so old now, I still remember that. We was this right there. Because listen, everybody knew we was the favorite to win that championship. And that one mistake, we looked at him. Me and Stevie looked at him like, yo, you can't do that right now.
Yeah.
It's crunch time. And then he looked at us. He's like, all right, yeah, we can't do that.
Yeah.
I mean, from the start.
He's
like, yeah, but again, the game was so close. We didn't want to take no
But
chance.
the thing about it is, the way how that other coach was, even if you had put her in, I feel like he would have still tried to find something, some kind of loophole to be able to win. Why would you want to win like that?
That's what everybody was like, yo, and you say, and it's not like she could play, but it's crunch time.
I know, but why would you want to win like that? Wouldn't you want to win where you earned it instead of just giving it to you? See?
But look, they went to the championship and got blown. But yeah, that was that, family.
That's a good story.
Up to this day, family, that could not come out my head. Because, listen, those days, man. You know, sometimes you wish you could go back to a certain thing. Damn, we played a long time.
How much minutes?
22 minutes.
That's so long. We here with you guys?
Yeah, family. They didn't
even hear the rest of your story because they're gone already.
Yeah, y'all didn't hear the rest of the story. You see, y'all been left already. See, y'all heard a little piece of the story left. But see, calm me down. Story time.
So, question. Any of those people from the other team, are you guys still friends? You still talk to them? Not like talk to them, but you know them still?
Like, not really, because I don't, not really.
Oh.
Because I'm not in New York no more.
Oh.
But for the other team, they had some good players. Some of them probably got good scholarship because they was really good.
Wow.
They was really good. But family, that's life though, you know? It's all good. That's why when I go in that court, yeah, look, I know you that then they could cheer for me.
Yo. Let me tell you something.
Right, first lady always love watching my basketball game, but you said I pass the ball too much.
I love to watch Richie play basketball. That's ooh. Ladies, y'all know what I'm talking about. That's like my thing right there. Like the beard, that's my thing. Okay?
But
Richie's very good.
This is my biggest criticizer, but in a good way. First year don't play. She said, don't pass the damn ball. But family, we appreciate y'all. We're gonna eat this off the camera because we already took it so long. It's almost so long. I don't want to keep it so long, but we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. We're gonna keep saying that, you know what I'm saying? Positive vibe, you already know that over here. We do over here. The family members could tell you.
Yeah.
Okay? We do that. So like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you're new, I am Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. And they are?
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another mukbang, of course. Bye.
You think you're slicking on my again? That's what I'm telling you. You think while I'm telling
why you gotta always have something to say at the end of the video? Why you gotta always have something to say at the end of the video?
I'm telling the story, I'm watching your number.
You ain't watching now because we name about 4 pieces
I know you
already.
did. I know you did, but you can't get.
But Tom, why you have to say something at the end of the video every time? You're coming like, yo, you Aries boy.
They gone. They don't even care what we're saying right now.
Gone.